So today we're going to learn what a conjecture is in geometry. So I'm going to give you the formal definition and I'll go further into an explanation of what it really means. So a conjecture is an educated guess or hypothesis that is based on some evidence or observations, but has not yet been proven to be true or false. So essentially what a conjecture is, it's like a guess. So you observe, you see something happening often, and then you say, hey, I see this thing happening often, so I'm going to continue to do it because I see the results are always tend to be the same results, right? But it hasn't been proven to be exactly true or false. So a good example here is something like saying, I learn better when I write things by hand instead of typing them. Now, you don't know if that's a fact. You just notice a pattern that you do this often. When you write things, you tend to learn better. You tend to remember better than typing them. Now, a lot of people think like this, but it's not 100% proven to be true or false. So we're going to go into a study of how you can go through a study to figure out whether something is true. Now in science, there's never really something that's 100% true because there's always going to be evidence that can come out at any time and disprove it. So any sort of conjecture is, even if it's proven, is kind of tentative, right? So, there's no guarantee that it's always going to be true. But once you've done studies, then you can say, okay, I have confidence that this conjecture is true. But just remember that a conjecture is just a guess based on what you've seen happen, and then you make a statement. Now, another good example that I came up here with myself is I have noticed that when I study for 30 minutes a day, I get better grades. So you see the word noticed? I noticed. It's a pattern, right? It's what I tend to see happening. So me studying 30 minutes a day, I have noticed that my grades are better than when I don't do that. Now, that's another perfect conjecture, but I haven't done a study where I've done this, say, for 1 year and I've tracked everything, and then I compare it to someone else or myself without studying 30 minutes a day and see what type of grades I get, and then see what the exact results are. It's just a guess. So just remember, again, a conjecture is just a guess based on what you've seen, and then you make an educated guess. It's not 100% true, it's just a guess. Now, if that was clear, please like the video, comment, and subscribe.